你好，Welcome to the live room. Welcome to the live room. The host is now in the live room of the source factory of high-pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province.
The live room of the source factory of high-pressure hoses. Our factory is located in a core industrial park in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Our factory has a superior geographical location, close to our logistics, and the main expressway logistics route. The newly opened Feixiangxi Expressway entrance in 2025 is adjacent to our factory, only 1 kilometer away. Only 1 kilometer away from our factory. So our factory covers over 100 mu, covering an area of over 100 mu. Our total floor area and total construction area have reached over 100,000 square meters. The total construction area has reached over 100,000 square meters. All of our business, whether it's construction machinery or agricultural machinery parts. As long as you're still looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, you must come to the host's live room. You must come to the host's live room. The host is giving everyone an in-depth understanding of Handan Sinopulse hose. Currently in the market, all purchasing bosses should know that when we make hydraulic oil pipes, the production cluster of high-pressure rubber hoses is in Jingxian County, Hebei Province. There are also some in Suzhou, Jiangsu Province, and Zhejiang Province in the south. Many people don't know that there is a high-pressure rubber hose manufacturer in Handan, Hebei Province, which has been deeply involved in the industry for 15 years. It is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses. It is Handan Sinop Hose Co., Ltd. Up to now, we have been deeply involved in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We have been deeply involved in this industry for 15 years. All purchasing bosses, if you are still looking for a source factory of high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you must pay attention to the host and be sure to enter the host's live room. Why can our Handan Sinop Hose Co., Ltd. be an old factory for 15 years? Why can the products of our factory be exported to all over the world and exported to more than 60 countries abroad? How do we make our domestic and foreign big customers repurchase for a long time? It depends on the strength of our factory. It depends on the strength of our factory and also the stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service of our factory, and stable after-sales service. There are still many cheap high-pressure hoses on the market now. Why can their price be so low? Our factory, since its establishment, we never compete on the lowest price. No internal friction. We never compete on the lowest price. We rely on the strength of our factory, the stability of our quality. Many cheap high-pressure hoses on the market now are from this small workshop, from some small workshops, from some small OEMs. They don't have high-precision production equipment. They don't have high-precision production equipment. Many bosses in the procurement process don't know the importance of the equipment. Let me explain it in layman's terms. Many high-pressure hoses in the use process, if it frequently has oil leakage, gas leakage, burst pipes, the outer skin cracks. "90% of the high-pressure hoses are due to the insufficient accuracy of the production equipment. The accuracy of the equipment that produces the hoses is not enough. There are many small workshops that do not have high-precision production equipment. So when they are producing high-pressure hoses and other products, they only rely on manual control. without high-precision equipment to monitor the parameters of the high-pressure rubber hose in real time during production. During the production process, the products they produce cannot guarantee quality. There is no way to ensure consistency if during the production process, since some small businesses and workshops are not large-scale, so the glue period cannot be stable. Not to mention the quality issues that may arise with the high-pressure hoses produced by these small equipment during use. Its after-sales service cannot be guaranteed. The high-pressure hoses produced by Sinopulse Hose Co., Ltd., from the first to the last process of production. The production equipment used in each process comes directly from the top equipment manufacturers across the country. The top equipment manufacturers across the country, and the production equipment of high precision is equipped with a high-precision computer. A high-precision computer can control the quality of the high-pressure rubber hose in real time and control each process in real time, its parameters, and the parameters of each process. It is because our factory has high-precision production equipment and high-precision production equipment, so our product can be more stable in quality. Hello. I'm off air now. Hola, today I'm going crazy. Welcome to my live room, everyone. Welcome to my live room. I'm now in the live room of a high-pressure hose factory, which is the source factory of high-pressure hoses in Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is the live room of the source factory of hydraulic hoses. No matter you are in the construction machinery business or in the agricultural machinery parts business, as long as you are still looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, please don't scroll away from my live stream. I believe that many purchasing managers in the market have been trapped by pitfalls where the purchased products look the same in appearance, but during the usage, their lifespan of the high-pressure rubber hose is greatly reduced. Why is it that the quality of some high-pressure rubber hoses cannot be uniform? 90% of the reason lies in the production equipment. The production equipment lacks precision. 90% of the problem is the lack of precision in production. So, to all the bosses in procurement, is the air conditioner not turned on? It's so hot.
It's just turned on. It'll be cold soon. It's so hot.
Are there any bosses who are looking for the source factory of high-quality, high-pressure hoses? If so, please come into the live room. Is there anyone in the backstage? Haley, is there anyone? 0 people. Welcome to the live stream. Douyin strictly prohibits minors from live streaming or gift consumption. It strictly prohibits illegal activities, vulgarity, and pornography, smoking, excessive drinking, personal injury, and other live stream content. Rational consumption. If the host improperly induces consumption during the live broadcast, please be cautious and identify. Do not trade privately to prevent personal loss. Beware of online fraud. Welcome to the live room. Brother Hui is taking everyone to visit the hose factory online. Welcome to the family members who just entered the live room. The host is now in the live room of a high-pressure hose source factory in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The live room of the high-pressure hose source factory, no matter you are in the construction machinery business or agricultural machinery parts business, as long as you are still looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory. You must stay in the host's live room for a while. The host is showing everyone around the factory, giving everyone an in-depth tour of the factory. Our factory is located in a core industrial park in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The total area of our factory is over 100 mu. Over 100 mu. The construction workshop has reached more than 100,000 square meters. We have an independent R&D workshop, a production workshop, a quality inspection workshop, and a professional storage workshop. We also have a dedicated shipping area. We are an integrated large-scale enterprise that integrates manufacturing and trading. We produce and sell all by ourselves. We have no middlemen. Our factory has no middlemen, and all products are self-produced and self-sold. With the same quality, our price is more suitable. For high-pressure hoses of the same quality, our price is more suitable. By 2024, the second phase of our factory's new plant will be fully put into production. All the products and equipment in all processes are from all over the world. They are directly shipped from the world's top equipment manufacturers. Each of our high-precision production equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer. It can control in real time the characteristics of rubber and the distribution of steel wires,
as well as the angle of the steel wires.
The density of the steel wires can also be controlled. It can be precisely controlled. Only in this way can we ensure that each high-pressure rubber hose we produce has more stable performance and better quality. And the high-pressure rubber hose produced by our factory, each of the high-pressure rubber hoses must be tested before leaving the factory. We will test the pressure. The test standard is that each high-pressure rubber hose should withstand a pressure twice as high as its working pressure and maintain this pressure for 1 minute without any leakage. Only after every high-pressure rubber hose passes the pressure test will it be accepted. We apply a pressure twice as high as the working pressure for 1 minute before moving on to the next process and the next one. Our factory strictly avoids defective products. All leaking products are directly scrapped. All are scrapped. All products produced in our factory will undergo a pressure test. We inspect 100% of the products. 100% inspected. This is the core difference between big factories and small workshops. This is also the core gap between our factory and a small workshop. Okay. Is he in the painting class? Can 2 people come? Is there anyone who wants to know about high-pressure hoses? This high-pressure hose is not only suitable for industrial and mining enterprises. Every family needs it. When the husband drinks and doesn't listen, take one back. This is our family's family law. This is the family law of each family. Punish according to the family law. I just want to have a mic connection with you. And find the live streamer. How to operate it. How to connect. Who to connect with. You can check who is available in the PK section. With whom? What level are you? A neurotic live room, and then my live room was stuck.
What's wrong?
We need to find a type of. This live room. Do you have the ability to feel it?
He seems to be looking at this software.
Please take a look. You can look at the big screen. Please come and look at the big screen. You can look at the big screen and put it here for me. What's this?
This one.
Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everyone who is still lingering outside the live room. Everyone who is still lingering outside the live room. If you are looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, you must come to the host live room. You must come to the host live room. You turn off your alarm. You're still on the screen. I can't see. Why did you put it on the main screen? Move the main screen to the right. Move the negative screen to the right. It's gone now. It's very good now. It is a high-pressure rubber hose in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. It is the source factory live stream of high-pressure rubber hose. Our factory covers an area of over 100 mu. Our factory covers an area of over 100 mu.
The workshop alone is over 100,000 square meters.
The workshop alone is over 100,000 square meters. The products exported to over 60 countries around the world. Why our products are exported to over 60 countries? Why our factory has been in business for 15 years. Why can our factory allow global and even domestic old customers to make long-term bulk repurchases? It's all about the strength of our factory. The strength of our factory, it's about the stability of our factory's quality. Stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Stable after-sales service. Currently, our factory has over 350 production workers. Already over 350. Since the second phase of our new factory was put into use in 2024. Our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. Our current daily output has reached 80,000 meters. Previously, many of our regular clients often reported that during peak seasons, our factory faced issues like long order backlogs, long lead times, and delays. However, since the second phase of our new factory came into use in 2020 and 2026, the third phase of the new factory has also been put into use. And currently, our daily production capacity has reached 80,000 meters. 80,000 meters per day. All large, urgent, and customized orders can be accepted. Our factory can handle them all. And in our factory, we have our own independent R&D team. Our own
professional technical personnel
and workers. Our factory not only manufactures conventional high-pressure hoses, not only that, but also all kinds of special shaped joints and hoses. Non-standard customized products can be processed by our factory. Our factory can do it well. So whether you are the owner of a construction machinery factory or an agricultural machinery parts factory,
as long as you are still looking for a high quality, high pressure hose source factory,
you must come to the host's live room. You must come to the host's live room. We can have an in-depth understanding. All your questions about high pressure hoses can be typed on the screen. All can be typed on the screen. The host is now at the source factory of high pressure hoses in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The host is now holding a regular product. A regular product. Our factory not only produces this regular high pressure hose, but also supports your non-standard customization. And our factory is a one-stop hydraulic factory. All high-pressure hoses and accessories, and joint accessories. Our factory offers one-stop shopping, greatly saving your procurement needs. And our factory has its own independent R&D team and our own mixing workshop. Without outsourcing, we don't need to import other people's raw rubber. Our factory can produce the raw materials ourselves and can produce rubber ourselves. Currently, we have also developed a kind of ultra high temperature and high pressure. The products produced in our factory can adapt to working conditions up to 150 degrees Celsius. Our products are all fine. The products can also be exported to extremely cold weather conditions, in which some equipment need to be used in an environment of -40 or -50 degrees Celsius. Our factory's high-pressure rubber hose is independently developed by us. With our own independent formula, the high-pressure rubber hose produced can work well under the condition of -50 degrees Celsius, as it is more flexible, soft, and will not crack or blow out. The hose is more flexible.
in the condition of -40 or -50 degrees Celsius,
It is more flexible. All purchasing bosses often purchase some conventional types. For example, in some working conditions, it can only be used in -40 degrees Celsius and in -40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius working conditions. If you want to find a high-pressure rubber hose for more severe environments and working conditions, it is not easy to purchase. Our factory, the products of our factory can adapt to various working conditions and scenarios. Whether it's 150 degrees Celsius or -50 degrees Celsius, our factory's products can fully adapt. They can fully adapt. And also, on excavators and backhoes, the high-pressure rubber hoses used in mines must have excellent wear resistance. Our factory has also developed a high-performance, high-wear resistant, high-pressure rubber hose independently. A high-wear resistant, high-pressure rubber hose. The working conditions for our high-pressure rubber hoses are twice as wear resistant as those produced by other small workshops. They are 2 to 3 times more wear resistant. Our hoses have a longer service life. We have our own independent R&D, our own formula. And we have already produced a highly wear resistant rubber, a highly wear resistant outer rubber. Under high strength working conditions, our wear resistance is stronger. And our factory supports and can fully meet all your needs. It can adapt to all your working conditions. If you are looking for a high-quality, high-pressure hose source factory, be sure to come to the host's live room. Now let me show you our 6-layer hose. This is our 6-layer high-pressure hose. Because of the products of our factory, the products we use and produce, and the equipment we use are directly shipped from the top equipment manufacturers in China. Each of our production equipment is equipped with a high-precision computer. It can monitor the stability of the quality in the production process in real time, including the performance of our inner and outer rubber coating, and the wire arrangement in the weaving process, as well as the adjustment of tension. It can achieve precise control of the tension of the steel wire in each rubber tube, including the sparseness of the steel wire. Our factory's equipment, can steadily undertake it. Our equipment is a high-precision production equipment, and the higher the accuracy of the equipment, the better the quality of the product produced, the more stable the production quality. Welcome to the live room, everyone. The host is now in the live stream room of a hydraulic oil pipe source factory located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is the live stream room of the hydraulic oil pipe source factory. The product the host is holding now is a regular model. Our factory has an independent R&D workshop, and all products can meet your needs. All your needs can be met, no matter what you need, whether it is ultra-high pressure. Some equipment requires ultra-high pressure. For the equipment that requires ultra-high pressure or extremely low pressure, corrosion resistance, extreme cold, and extremely high temperatures, our factory's products can directly adapt. And our factory has independent experiments and a full set of experimental equipment, whether it's anti-aging, anti-static, flame retardant, abrasion resistance, including our pulse experiment, tensile experiment, all the experimental equipment for high-pressure hoses in our factory are available. The complete set of testing equipment. This is also the gap between a powerful manufacturer and a small workshop. Why are there so many cheap high-pressure hoses on the market now? It's because those high-pressure hoses come from small workshops. They don't have high-precision production equipment. The products they produce cannot guarantee the stability of quality because the accuracy of the equipment is not enough. So the quality cannot be guaranteed to be uniform. Therefore, during the usage process, there are frequent oil and gas leaks, including burst pipes. Frequent quality issues make after-sales service impossible to guarantee. Handan Sinopulse Co. Ltd. has 15 years of experience. From the raw materials entering the factory, to the entire production process, to the finished product packaging, every step adheres to international standards and is crafted with precision. Our quality is our bottom line. The quality of the products produced by our factory is our bottom line. The raw materials used by our factory are all from the world's top raw material manufacturers. They are shipped directly from the manufacturers. And before each batch of raw materials enters the factory, before entering the factory, they all go through our professional quality inspection, including random sampling. So all unqualified raw materials will be rejected. All unqualified raw materials will be rejected because we know very well that the raw material of the product is the first threshold to ensure quality. This is the bottom line of our factory's production of high-pressure hoses for 15 years. And the raw material is the first threshold of our quality. We will never cut corners. This is also the reason why we can adhere to the same quality for 15 years. The most important key, we control the raw materials. And we have never slacked off since the factory was established. because we know that the raw materials are the core key to the stability of our quality. The raw materials are the core key to the quality. All friends who are still wandering outside the live room. All friends who are still wandering outside the live room. If you are also looking for the source factory of high-quality, high-pressure hoses, you must come to the host's live room. You must come to the host's live room. The host is taking everyone to deeply understand the strength of our factory and the scale of our factory. The strength and scale of our factory. What's wrong?
Not coming.
Welcome to the host's live room. Welcome to the host's live room. I'll perform a talent for everyone. The host is now holding a high voltage glue, a high voltage rubber tube. This is a regular product of ours. This is a regular product made in our factory. Here I would like to reiterate for everyone. Our factory not only makes these regular products, all non-standard customization can be steadily undertaken by our factory. All can be steadily undertaken because our factory has our own independent R&D team. Our own independent R&D team. Welcome to the family members who just walked into the live room.
Hello. You say,
What? You say.
buying a rubber sheet, right?
Welcome to the family and friends who just entered the live room. If you are also looking for this high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, you must come to the host's live room. You must come to the host's live room. All your technical problems can be typed on the public screen. All can be typed on the public screen. Our factory was established in 2011, and now it has 15 years of deep cultivation in the industry. 15 years of deep cultivation. All of this silicone tube, all of this high-pressure rubber tube can be 100% quality inspected in our factory. 100% pressure tested. 100% pressure tested. Our factory can do every high-pressure rubber tube. Will be pressure tested before leaving the factory. The standard of this pressure test is
Twice the working pressure of this rubber tube.
and it should be pressure resistant for 1 minute. So all bosses who purchase, no matter you are in construction machinery or agricultural machinery parts, as long as you are still looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hose, you must come to the host's live room. Stay for a while. And the host will take you to have an in-depth understanding of our factory. Our factory has 15 years of industry experience. 15 years of industry experience. We are not a newly opened small company, nor a middleman who put other people's brand on products. We are a real manufacturer. We are an integrated company that integrates R&D, production, and sales. As an integrated company, we produce and sell all by ourselves, for high-pressure hoses of the same quality, because we produce and sell ourselves. And we are an integrated company that integrates R&D, production, and sales. There is no middleman. There is no middleman. And for the high-pressure rubber hose of the same quality, our price is more suitable. Our price is more suitable. The product the host is holding now is a regular product of our factory, and we are a hydraulic one-stop factory. Whether you want to purchase this high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose or the joint accessories, our factory is an integrated one-stop factory that integrates R&D, production, and sales. We offer one-stop shopping. One-stop shopping. We greatly save the cost and time of procurement, and we can save the procurement time.
We can do all of these.
Welcome to everyone who has just entered the live room. All those who are still hovering outside the live room. All those who are still lingering outside the live room. If you are also looking for a high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source factory, please don't swipe away this live stream. Please don't swipe away this live stream. What the host is holding now is one of our regular products. It's a regular product. Let me reiterate. Sinopulse Co., Ltd. not only undertakes regular orders, regular calibers, and regular high-pressure hoses, but also all large caliber, special-shaped connectors, special-shaped hoses. Our factory can undertake them steadily. We support non-standard customization. We support non-standard customization because our factory has an independent R&D team. An independent R&D team. It can adapt to all your scenarios and all needs. All scenarios, all needs. If you have any needs, you can type them on the screen. Any needs can be typed on the screen. Or leave a message for the host. You can leave a message for the host. Our factory is an integrated large-scale enterprise that integrates manufacturing and trading. We are an integrated large-scale enterprise that integrates manufacturing and trading. We not only have the regular high-pressure hose production, but also all kinds of joint accessories, including shape joints. We can provide one-stop shopping. This can greatly save your procurement time, as well as procurement costs, including the time and cost of procurement. There are many cheap high-pressure hoses on the market now. There are still many cheap high-pressure hoses on the market now. They often come from these small workshops. Often from some small workshops and middlemen who put labels on them. They often do not have a standard quality. And their quality cannot be uniform. So, precisely because it is a small workshop, and a small workshop, its production capacity cannot be guaranteed. Its delivery date cannot be guaranteed either. Its delivery date cannot be guaranteed, let alone the high-pressure rubber hose and its after-sales problems in the process of use. So, for all the bosses who purchase high-pressure rubber hoses, if you are looking for high-quality high-pressure rubber hoses, and also looking for a stable delivery date, stable quality, and stable after-sales service, you must come to the host live room. You must come to the host live room. The host is giving you an in-depth understanding. Bringing you an in-depth understanding of Sinopulse Co. Ltd. Our factory not only has domestic customers, but also our overseas market has been deeply cultivating for over 20 years. Our factory has a full set of export qualifications. Our factory has a full set of export qualifications. Up to now, our factory's products have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world and have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. Why can we ensure consistent quality? It is precisely because the production equipment we use is all directly from the top equipment manufacturers in China. Directly from the equipment manufacturers. On each of our production equipment, there is a high precision computer. For example, for the steel wire reinforcement layer. This process of steel wire reinforcement layer, the weaving equipment used for the steel wire reinforcement layer, this one, for the steel wire weaving layer, is a high-speed weaving machine. A high-speed weaving machine. It is precisely because we have this high-precision production equipment. And because we have this high-precision production equipment, we can ensure that the angle of each steel wire weaving and its precise speed control, including the adjustment of tension,
can make the steel wire arrangement denser, and there won't be any wire crossing. No wire crossing and no uneven spacing, only in this way. Can we ensure the high pressure hose is more stable in pressure resistance? More stable in pressure resistance. Some small workshops produce products using a weaving machine. That is an old production equipment. An old production equipment. It cannot ensure precise speed control, nor can it ensure the evenness of the wire spacing. It can only rely on manual control. Often the high-pressure hoses produced by such equipment, after flowing into the market during the usage process, there may be oil or gas leakage, which may cause inconvenience to our purchasers and greatly increase production costs and lead to production stoppage or even halt for rectification. Replacing pipes will cause huge waste of manpower and material resources. So, if you are purchasing high-pressure hoses, you must make sure to find out the strength of the factory, the equipment it uses to produce, the hose, whether it is old or high precision and new. Only high precision equipment. The higher the precision, the better the quality of the product will be, the more stable the quality.
If you need anything, I'll bring it to you. Is anyone there? It's very white and bright.
Cool.
Hello? Is anyone there? Is anyone there? Let's go. Welcome.
Two won't do. Will the external network?
Are we crazy?
The host is now in the live room of a high-pressure hose source factory in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Pandan City, Hebei Province. The live room of the high-pressure hose source factory. If you also want to know about this high-quality, high-pressure meow meow, don't always show off the live broadcast in front. How can we show off? Do you know why it's trending?
Either our account is not vertical.
Or we don't have any. For example, when sending out a red packet,
If it exceeds 10,
which prompt is it?
Alibaba's prompt.
Alibaba.
I see. Okay.
Hello, welcome to the families who just entered the live room. Welcome to the families who just entered the live room. The host is now in the source factory of high-pressure rubber hose in Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. In the live room, our factory mainly produces hydraulic oil pipes, and we are a one-stop factory for hydraulic machinery. We not only produce conventional high-pressure rubber hoses, but now we also have an independent R&D team. We support non-standard customization. We can support non-standard customization. And our R&D team now has our independent formula. All high-pressure rubber hoses have high wear. We can take all of them. All working conditions. The high-pressure rubber hoses in our factory can directly meet all your working condition requirements. If you are also looking for a high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source factory, you must come to the host's live room. Our factory covers a total area of more than 100 mu. And as of now, we have a construction workshop, and the total construction area of our factory has reached more than 100,000 square meters. We have workshop in phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. We have 3 phases of production workshops. We also have R&D team. We have our own independent R&D workshop. With a production workshop in phase 3, we have our own delivery area. We are an integrated large. We are not a newly opened small business, nor a middleman who put other people's brand on products. We are a 15-year-old factory that has, and
Our products have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. Why can our factory last for 15 years?
why can our factory, up to now, have so many domestic and foreign big customers?
Welcome to the live room.
Welcome.
If you are also looking for a high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source factory, you must pay attention to the host's live room.
This is the accountant.
The host is giving everyone an in-depth introduction to our factory. Our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu. Since the commissioning of our new factory in the second phase in 2024 to the commissioning of our third phase factory in 2026. Up to now, the daily output of our 3 phases can reach 80,000 meters. The daily output can reach 80,000 meters. Just before, many old customers gave feedback to our host, saying that during peak seasons, our factory's products face long order backlogs and long waiting times. Since the beginning of 2026, after the commissioning of our new factory in the third phase, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. For all large and urgent orders, we can take them all. So far, we have steadily solved our delivery date problem, solved it steadily. You are also looking for a high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose source factory. You must not go away from the host's live broadcast. You must not go away from the host's live broadcast.
Our factory
not only does regular products,
But also all non-standard custom products. Colorful edges and glossy edges. We also do extra high voltage and extra low voltage pipes. For high wear resistance, which is needed in some working conditions. Some inferior high pressure rubber hoses can't work under such conditions for long before the reinforcement layer is worn out. A high pressure reinforcement layer, once the high pressure reinforcement layer is worn out, it won't be long before the hose bursts because the outer rubber is not wear resistant enough and has poor wear resistance. In our factory, we have our own R&D team and our own mixing workshop. We have our own mixing workshop. All the rubber is self-produced and self-sold in our factory, and it is self-produced and self-used. We now have our own independent formula, and all the high resistant rubber has been improved twice, doubling the wear resistance.
Therefore, our silicone tubes are now fully suitable for your wear-resistant working conditions. For wear-resistant working conditions. And
the high-pressure rubber hose. The extreme cold, Russia. The extreme cold conditions of the Arctic. Our factory's high-pressure rubber hose can adapt to minus 50 degrees Celsius. Our high-pressure rubber hose will not crack. Unlike other rubber hoses that may crack in low temperatures, our high-pressure rubber hose is also more flexible and will not become hard. This is a product independently developed by us. Its performance. This is our factory, Goya Jiuguan high-pressure rubber hose.
Can now adapt to the needs of various working conditions, including some equipment
that use corrosion-resistant fluid hoses. We can all adapt for various work conditions. We can all, and our factory is one-stop procurement, all the joints and pipe fittings, including the production of our assembly. Our factory is fully integrated in the whole process. This greatly saves the time of the purchasers. You don't have to look for rubber hose here and then go to the west to find joints. Go to the factory that makes the. We provide one-stop procurement. As long as you tell us your needs, we will directly deliver the high-pressure rubber hose with assembly.
through one-stop shopping. Our factory can do the customization. For everyone who is still hesitating outside the live room, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, please don't leave this live stream. What I'm holding in my hand now is a regular product of our factory, a regular product. Our factory not only produces regular high-pressure rubber hoses, but also all kinds of special-shaped rubber hoses, special-shaped calibers, special-shaped connectors, and special-shaped rubber hose colors. We also produce fabric hose and smooth tube. Our factory can undertake all of these. Our factory can accept non-standard customization and non-standard orders. Welcome to everyone who has just entered the live room. Welcome to everyone who has just entered the live room. Today's live stream is almost over. Today's live stream is almost over. All those who are still looking for high-quality, high-pressure hose manufacturers, you must follow the host in this live stream. Later, the host will continue to take everyone to understand the factory and the products. Today's live stream is about to end. If you have any questions, you can follow the host. How long has the live stream been going on? Okay, we can go offline after more than 45 minutes. It's been an hour and 5 minutes. Let's go live on the main account. Let's go live on the main account. No, let's go live on the main account. Find someone, not in a hurry. All right, that's all for today's live stream. That's all for today's live stream. Tomorrow at the same time, the host will continue to take you to have an in-depth. Today's live stream is over. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.